If you want to satisfy your sweet tooth with rich, decadent, chocolatey dessert that is good for you, then look no further. These flourless brownies will get a big green tick from all the diets. Even better, these brownies are gluten-free, refined sugar-free, and made with nourishing sweet potato. Hello and welcome. This is Healthy Delicious Bites presenting you a healthy way for brownies. Let's see how to make sweet potato brownies. To start, you will need to bake 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes in oven until they are soft and gooey inside. Once they are cooked, remove the skin and mash them in a bowl, setting aside 1 cup worth for this recipe. Personally, I think baking makes sweet potato more flavorful and delicious, since boiling causes the potatoes to lose some of their flavors and nutrients in the water. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line the pan with the parchment paper and set it aside. This recipe is so simple that you can make it in one bowl. No need to have extra gadgets or utensils. If you are running short on time, then you can just dump all the ingredients in food processor and give one pulse, and you are done. But today, I'll be needing some extra muscle exercise. So let's get the large mixing bowl. Let's add 1 cup of mashed sweet potatoes. To this, add 1 cup of fine oat flour and 1 cup of almond flour. Now time to add a dark cocoa powder. We need half a cup. I know my cup size isn't matching to what I'm saying. It's just because my little monster has stolen all my measuring cups. Now let's add salt to taste. Let's get half cup of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar. If you don't have, you can also replace this with jaggery. To this, let's add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now it's time to add the butter. Let's make it more rich by adding 3 tablespoons of almond butter. And here is the tip. If you are not fond of the nut butter, then you can always add coconut oil or any vegetable oil. This recipe is really forgiving. You can add any ingredient in any order.
It's time to add liquid to our brownie batter.
You can add water, you can add orange juice or even the nut milk. I am adding liquid gold, which is the aqua power.
To this,
let's add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup for extra sweetness. Let's combine to form a brownie batter. Now if you think your batter is a bit thick
and you are having hard time to combine it, let's add dash of liquid, either milk or aquafaba again.
Let's combine all ingredients and make a brownie batter. So let's add handful of chocolate chips. This will make your brownie extra gooey and really awesome. Let's get the prepared pan and pour the batter. Smooth out the top.
We are almost ready to bake. But before that, let's add few more chocolate chips to make it extra decadent.
Bake the brownies for 20 to 30 minutes or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow them to cool before we can start cutting them.
Once it is cool, let's cut them into the square or your desired shape.
Finally, our wait is over. Let's enjoy the fudgy goodness of these sweet potato brownies. Not only these are most ooey and gooey, satisfying brownies on the earth, they're actually quite good for you. I'm sure that you will enjoy these healthy, delicious bites. If you do, please share your joy with us. Please check our other recipes too. And please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you for staying on healthy side. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy.